Welcome to our gentle, mindful cool down. Now, it's very important to cool down your muscles, get your heart rate down, allow your muscles to react to help prevent injury. And we're just going to take it real slow and easy to just relax our body and get our heart rates down. All right, so I'm going to do it standing. My mom will do it seated along with Mochi. Okay, so what you want to do, let's just sit here, or stand here, close our eyes, and take several inhale and exhale. So inhale and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Good. Give me two more. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. One more. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Now just kind of move your head around, little head tilts, side to side, gentle. Side to side, ear to shoulder. Good. Very nice. Very nice. And let's look to the right and left. Gently stretch these neck muscles out. Okay. Beautiful. And breathe. Okay. Take an inhale and exhale through your mouth. Very nice. Keep breathing gently, and let's go into some shoulder rolls to the back, okay? So shoulder rolls up and back, up and back. Give me two more. Up and back, and up and back. And let's reverse it. Okay, good. That's two. Breathe, everybody. Three, and one more. Very nice. Okay, so we're moving down our body here. And so I want you to just bring your arms out. Okay, yeah, pull them out, and then give yourself a hug. Yes, so just open, close gently. Yeah, getting that upper body nice and relaxed. Breathe. Okay, inhale. And exhale. And give me one more. Inhale. And exhale. Very nice. Okay, let's just go into nice, gentle reaches to your right. And swing it around. Good. Reach to your left. And swing it around. Very nice. Reach right. Good. And one more. Reach left. And very, very nice. All right. All right. Ooh, how'd that feel? Good. Now, we're going to go into some gentle twists. Okay, so all I want you to do is just gently twist. It doesn't have to be a big twist. Just kind of looking to your right and bringing it to center, and then looking to your left and centering. Just give me one more each side. Right, breathe. Center and left and center. Very nice. Okay, so let's move with the arms. It's just like all I want you to do is just pull your arms back. So you can grab the back of your chair, Mom, if you want. And if you're with me, if you can grab your hands, that's great. Or just bring your shoulder blades together and bring the arms back. Nice chest opener here. Prevent those rounded shoulders, right? Open that chest up. Nice. And breathe. Inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. Very, very nice. Okay, so let's go to going down our body now. Keep one leg bent and bring the other leg straight out, and hinge at the hips gently. Okay, so feel a nice stretch in the back of your leg. Okay, and also maybe even your lower back. Okay, very nice. Breathe. Take an inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. And come up gently. Very nice. Okay. Let's do the other side. One leg straight out. Toe to the ceiling. Reach. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. And come on out. All right. Very nice. And let's see if you can do this, Mom. We got a Mochi on the side there who's purring like a madman. Okay,
he's comfortable.
He's very comfortable. So what I want you to do is to just put one leg, your right leg, straight out. And I want it to be straight if it's possible. Okay? All right? Just straight. Do you feel stretch?
Yeah.
Okay? Just straight. And if you're with me, I'm hinging slightly at the hips. Your back is straight, everybody, though. Okay? Don't round the back. Okay? Just a nice stretch in that inner thigh. Okay? All right. Very nice. and come up gently. Bring it back to center, okay? And the other leg straight out to the side, okay? Knee over ankle, okay, here. Okay, I'm hinging slightly at the hips. Back is straight, okay? Very nice. And breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Nice stretch in those hips, also thighs, okay? And come up gently. All right, very nice. Okay, so now I just want you to sit back in your chair, or if you're standing, and I just want you to close your eyes now, okay? Close your eyes. I want you to inhale and exhale very gently. Inhale and exhale. Okay, keep that going. Inhale and exhale. And while you're doing this, I want you to kind of check in with your body, all over. Let's start at the feet. Loosen up any tension you're feeling in your feet and ankles. Okay, we're slowly coming up to your knees. Relax the knees. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Good. Very nice. Okay, we're moving up the body to your hips. Just loosen up any tension you have in your hip area. Okay, and moving up to your belly, your core. Keep breathing. Very nice. And up to the shoulders. Just loosen the shoulders. Really focus in on the shoulders. Loosen up the arms and the fingers and the hands. Okay? And we're moving up the body to your neck area. And loosen up any tension in the neck area. Very nice. Very nice. Think about your head. Think about a string just kind of pulling your head up, and you're sitting tall. Take an inhale and exhale. Inhale again. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Inhale and exhale. And with your eyes closed, bring your hands to your heart. Inhale and exhale. Feel good about the work that you did today, and be thankful for the great work that you did. Okay? So, very nice. So, gently loosen your arms and open your eyes. And nice work. So, I hope that was relaxing for you and gave you a good stretch. Mochi's done too. We hope that you carry that wonderful energy that you just generated and calmness into your day. So we wish you a wonderful day wherever you are, and we look forward to seeing you real soon.